Hi everyone, Elizabeth here. Thank you so much for joining me today, and thank you so much for joining me on my unboxing journey. Today I'm unboxing the FabFitFun Style Box. So this is the way it came today. It looks a little, I don't know, messed up. But anyway, so this is a clothing subscription. You pay $20 a month. Sorry, so loud. You pay $20 a month styling fee, and that $20 can go to credit of anything that you want to purchase in your box. And I believe if you purchase 5 things in your box, you get like a 25% off, but we'll see if the instructions are in here. So this is what it looks like inside. All right, very interesting. All right, so this is the first thing, a little paper here, FAQs. Okay, it says you're gonna look gorgeous. Here's what happens next. So 1, love your looks. Your $20 goes toward the price of any item you love. Return the rest. Drop off the prepaid envelope at any FedEx location. So this one you can't put in your mailbox. You do have to drive out to the FedEx location to leave this. And you have 3 days actually to do that too. Bag your bonus. Did your stylist nail it? 25% off if you keep all of the items. All right, so opening it up, and here is a little note. I'll go ahead and read that. And then here is, I'm not like gonna look at it really because I don't have any idea what's in the box, so I'm excited. All right, so let's read the little note from my stylist, Katiana. Hello, Elizabeth Martinez. I am excited to welcome you back to FabFitFun Style. It has been a pleasure to style you. I have some fresh in-stock outfits for you. For the first fabulous look, I picked the Mia high-waist skinny jeans paired with the timeless Jolie camisole. This look is perfect to go out to dinner, date night, or brunch with friends. For a second, more casual look, you can pair the Mia with the soft pret-a-porter top. This top is exclusive to FabFitFun. You can wear this when you are looking for comfort during the day but still want to look effortlessly chic. Next, I chose the Nancy wrap dress. Ooh, I like wrap dresses. This piece is very versatile and flattering. You can pair it with flats to dress it down or with heels to go out. Lastly, I chose the perfect throw-on look for the season, the classic sleeveless jumpsuit. This look goes with everything and it works for every occasion. I hope you have a fabulous summer and that you love your new clothes. Let me know if the sizes work. Happy styling. Cool, very long note. All right, let's see. So then we got this cute little sticker. So it comes in, oh, I guess I should have showed you the bundle, right? Well, it looks like this outside of the bundle. Outside of the tissue paper, I guess. So it looks really neat. Got some blue jeans there, gray, one of my favorite colors, and green. I like green. Okay. And then there's something here. Self-care is always in style. Yours to keep, no further purchase necessary. Oh, it's a little gift. Let's see what's in there, okay? All right, now I've got my price sheet out, so I'll keep it right here. So the first item we have here is the pret-a-porter swing top. And this is a sleeveless top with a little opening right here. I like it. The material is very, very soft. I like it. It's 95% rayon, 5% spandex, and this is a medium. I really like this. You can never go wrong with a little gray tee. This is awesome. So the price for this is $32, so not bad. The material feels really, really good. Next we have, oh, this gorgeous dress. This is a dress, wow. This is, it looks a little low. So it's got like these cute little sleeves, you know, the typical wrap. And it's not actually a wrap dress. It just has like the tie right here, but it's not a wrap dress. It's got tons of little dots, yellow and green dots. Really nice color. I like the color a lot. So this is by Jilly. This is called the Nancy Faux Wrap Printed Dress, size medium, and this is $62. I don't know if this is worth $62, but we'll try it on. All right, next is, oh, this feels good. Oh, this is so pretty. This is the jumpsuit. Okay, so it's spaghetti string. I don't usually use much spaghetti string lately. I just haven't. And it's got pockets. Oh my gosh, I wish you could feel the material. It feels so good. It's like a soft jersey, I don't know, like it almost feels like suede-like, but it's not thick like suede. I'll look it up right now. So this is the classic sleeveless knit jumpsuit for $58, and this is a large, and the color is called charcoal. And let's see if I can find the material. All right, here it is. It's 96% polyester and 4% spandex. So I don't know. The material is really, really nice. I like it. And then it has pockets. I really hope this fits. I really like it. I'm just not crazy about the spaghetti strings, but everything else about it seems perfect. Okay, next is this top. Okay, so this is the Jolie Lace camisole, size medium, light blue, $49. I'm not crazy about this. I guess it's because I just don't like wearing strapless bras anymore. So this one I guess I can get away with like a bra with straps on it, but it seems like it would look nicer if it was worn with a strapless bra. But it's cute and it is great for date night, you know, with some black jeans or something. This is nice. Okay, so this one was $49. I think I said that. All right, next are these jeans. These are where is it? The Mia high waist skinny jeans. These are size 10 and these are $89. So they're nice, good material. Okay, so those are all the items I got. So I'm going to go ahead and try them on, and I'll come back with a recap. Oh, and I forgot about this little gift. Let's see what this is. Anything fun. Ooh, Kate Somerville Skin Health Experts, all skin types. Intensive exfoliating treatment. Oh, cool. I was just talking about exfoliating with my daughter. Need to exfoliate. Okay, cool. Look at that. Right, what side is it? Oh, there you go. That's this is a little freebie gift, and that's really nice. It's 2 fluid ounces. It does have a cap on it, so let's open that up. Intensive exfoliating treatment. I haven't heard of this brand. Have you guys? It's green, super duper green. Okay, interesting. I will try that later. I'll try that later for sure. Okay guys, I'm happy sad right now. I'm happy because these jeans feel so awesome. I love the way they fit. They went on great. The material is fabulous. I like the length. They're long, and they scrunch up, and they don't just like end at the ankle like the other jeans that I have. They just feel really good. The material feels really good, but I don't know a lot about this brand. I don't know if it's worth the $89. Mia high waist skinny. So if you know anything about this brand, I'll look it up too, but let me know what you think in the comments below. And the t-shirt, I love it. It's super cute. What do y'all think? I like it. It's loose in right places, and then this is different. I like the collar. It's pretty different. It's very comfortable. This is like perfect movie outfit. Hey everybody. Okay, so this is definitely a date night top. It is pretty low in the front. It fits good around the chest, and fits good around the waist. Looks nice in the back. I do have a nude bra on, so I like it, but I don't know if I'll wear it. I mean, I'll wear it probably just like once or twice, so I don't think it's really worth that, but it's pretty. The color is nice. I really like the color, and the quality is pretty good too. All right, here's the green dress. I really like it. It fits really nice. The top area fits really nice. I could easily pin this like with a safety pin for work. The sleeves are nice. They cover like your arms in a good area. And the waist fits good. Everything feels really good about this dress. I like it a lot. It's a little too flowy for my taste, but I still like it. The only thing is it worth the price? I don't know. Here's the charcoal jumpsuit, and I like it a lot. Okay, I still have my nude bra on. I'm too lazy to go put on a strapless. But look at the pockets. It's so awesome. I like it. The back looks okay. You know, just put on some shapers. It feels amazing. I'm serious. I can't explain how good it feels. It just feels so soft. Like I'm ready to wear this tomorrow. I think I can definitely get away with wearing it to work. Just put a little blazer over, and I do have a few blazers from some other boxes that I can definitely, actually from one of these boxes, that I can definitely wear with this. So I like it. Let me know what you think. I think it's super cute. I have a girls' night out tomorrow, so this would be perfect for that. Okay, so I'm going to go through the grand total if I kept everything. The total if I kept everything is $290. That is a lot for 5 items. It really, really is. If I buy all of the items, I get a $72 discount, and then plus my $20 styling fee. So that brings me to $197. And that's still a lot for all of these items. All right, so we need to talk. What should I keep? I don't know. Let's recap. Okay, so the gray tee was very nice on, but then I started thinking about it, and I was like, I kind of didn't like that the collar like came up so high, so I started like second guessing myself. So I don't know, let me know. The wrap dress is really nice. I liked it. It's like a perfect little go-to dress. Great for church, everything, but I just don't think it's worth $62. I don't know where these prices come from sometimes. Let's see. The gray jumpsuit is awesome. It's $58, and I would pay $58 for this. I really like this jumpsuit. The jeans fit amazing. I haven't gone to research yet, but cut from the cloth. Oh, cutfromthecloth.com. I have heard about this brand. I don't know why I was going by Mia. It didn't have the brand name on here. So none of these had the brand names. Oh, they're on the tags. Oops. Okay, so I have seen Georgia Sunshine. She wears these cut from the cloth, and she's always talking about how great the jeans do fit there. So I do trust her, so those are probably going to be a keeper. Okay, this top is by Love Stitch. So we're going to have to go back and tell you what the other brands are. So this is a Love Stitch top. I liked it, but I'd probably only wear it one time, so I don't think it's worth the $49. Okay, going super fast. This is by Gilly. The jumpsuit is by Gilly. So let me know if that is, if you think that's worth it. I really want that. Okay, this brand was, okay, I do not see a brand name. Oh, okay, it's by Gilly as well. Okay, sorry guys, I'm all over the place in this video. And then this one is by Pret-a-Porter. Okay, so that's it. That's all on the items. Again, the total merchandise cost is $290. All products discount $72.50. And styling fee credit $20. Everything would be $197.50. So I'm definitely not going to take everything. Anyway, I really need your input. So leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much. Bye.